In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new OneDrive account in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to manage multiple business accounts or simply want to separate your personal files from your professional ones, adding a new account to OneDrive can be a seamless process if you know the right steps to follow. Let's dive right in and get you set up. First things first, you will need to open the OneDrive app on your desktop or laptop. If it's your first time, you might need to download the app from the Microsoft Store or OneDrive's official website. Once installed, locate the app on your computer and open it. This is where the magic begins. Upon opening the OneDrive app, look for the option labeled Sync and Backup. This is typically found in the settings menu of the app, and clicking on it will reveal several options related to syncing and backing up your data. For the purpose of adding a new account, you'll need to focus on the Manage Backup option. Clicking on this will take you to the next crucial step in this process. Once you're in the Manage Backup section, your attention should shift to finding the Account option. This is usually visible among other settings related to your current OneDrive account information. Clicking on Account will open up possibilities for managing your existing account or adding new ones. Now you're getting closer to achieving your goal. Within the account settings, you'll see an option marked Add an Account. This is your gateway to introducing a new OneDrive account to your app. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter the details of the account you wish to add. Whether it's an account you already have or you're starting fresh, this step is pivotal. The last step is where you solidify your action. You should now see an option to sign in. Clicking on this will require you to enter the credentials of the new account you're adding. Be prepared to input the email address and password associated with the account. If it's a brand new account, make sure you've gone through the sign up process on Microsoft's official site first. Once you input the correct details, proceed to sign in. After successfully signing in, congratulations are in order. You've now added a new account to your OneDrive app. This will allow you to manage your files across multiple accounts within the same app, making it easier to keep your digital life organized and segmented as you see fit. But before I let you go, here are a couple of tips to ensure your experience is smooth. Remember to regularly check if the OneDrive app is up to date. Microsoft frequently releases updates that enhance security and introduce new features that could improve your experience. Also, consider organizing your files in folders specific to each account to avoid confusion and maintain a clean workspace. With these steps and tips, managing multiple OneDrive accounts should no longer be a daunting task. Whether for personal use, business, or a mix of both, you now have the knowledge to expand your OneDrive capabilities and ensure your files are always right where you need them, securely backed up and effortlessly accessible. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Should you encounter any issues or have further questions, remember that Microsoft's support page is just a few clicks away, offering detailed guides and troubleshooting tips. Happy organizing, and I'll see you in the next video.